Hey Namo, what's your favorite improvement of this quarter?
My favorite improvement is the new PLC on the blue machines. It's going to save so much time. Let's go out there.
Awesome.
All right, so we're at the blue machines here. We used to have two PLCs controlling both these machines. Now we have one, and we're syncing these both together. So now we actually have a digital screen where we can change different timings on the machine to make everything sync together, make everything work more fluidly, and we can expand on it heavily.
Awesome. What's a PLC?
Programmable logic controller. It's a computer meant to run machines.
Awesome. What's the long-term goal?
Long-term goal is to get more attachments built onto here that we can make this process faster, easier, have one person doing it. Right now it's a two-person it's actually a three-person operation. So the goal is to get it down to one person controlling all these machines.
Awesome. This is going to be great.
Hey,
What's your favorite improvement of this quarter?
my favorite improvement of the quarter would be the
Get your
capability,
tag
thanks man,
You're
of adding to our purchase orders the non-shrink wrap versus shrink wrapped. So as you can see here, packaging, there's nothing, but as you go down, we're able to label which magnets need to be shrink wrapped. So in the back, we can send magnets that go directly into reusables, directly to our customers. And then for those that go into cups, they're unshrink wrapped. It makes it much easier for them out there to put into the machine. It's been a great improvement.
Nice. So what you're saying is that for our machines, we don't have to unwrap each stack of magnets. They just go right in the machine.
Yeah.
And then we don't have to rewrap magnets to send them to our customers. They come
Exactly.
in exactly how we need to send them.
Yeah. So it's been great. It's been an awesome update.
Awesome. Cool.
All right, Josh, what's your favorite improvement?
Oh, I'm so glad you asked. Come with me.
It's this awesome demo cart. It is way nicer than the one that Mike and I used to roll down wherever we needed to take it. You can tip it back, you can roll it upstairs. We found that rolling this into any place you want, you can have an immediate meeting with the highest level person there just by rolling this in and be like, hey, you want to see something cool? So we've been improving it and making it better, and we have a lot of ideas to make it even faster and better to get in the door, unload from the car, to make it easier to communicate what we want. We've been using it a week, and we've already gotten all the way up to as high as we could with Cunningham Restaurant Groups, all the way with the owner and the COO, and it was just, well, there was, it's amazing. I don't have enough good things to say about it, and I'm excited to see where this goes.
Boom.
Hey Fernando, what's your favorite improvement?
The sound is erosion.
Yeah?
I use a balance, big balance.
Awesome. Thanks, Fernando.
Thank you.
Yeah. Hey Ashton, what's your favorite improvement of this quarter?
Can I do two?
Yeah, you can do two, man.
All right, so my favorite improvement is our solenoid coming with the wire already connected compared to, this is the old one. We had to connect it ourselves and took a lot of time to do that. And then my second one would
That's awesome. It looks like now we don't run the risk of that coming undone as well, right?
Yeah, it's not coming off there.
They're embedded right in there. That's awesome.
Yep. And then my second one would be the LED coming already assembled. Before we would we'd batch a bunch of them, and we'd take the eyelet, take this, the LED, and put glue in them, and it was a real pain.
So you had to do each one in this tray, like you'd mount them in this tray and you'd run down and put epoxy in the back of each one?
Yeah, we'd go put epoxy in each one, and then we'd have to wait for a whole day for them to cure, and now they just come fully assembled like this, ready to go into the dispenser.
That's awesome. Cool. That's a huge improvement. Hey Kyle, what's your favorite improvement of this quarter?
My favorite improvement of this quarter is an automated email that goes out to people that are subject to cart abandonment on our website. If they leave our website with something in their cart without purchasing, a day later it sends them an email and reminds them, and then 2 days later it sends them another email with a discount code.
Awesome.
It's
is an
great.
improvement. Yeah, cool. John, favorite improvement?
So this is our new whiteboard.
Yeah.
It helps us organize all the different items that go in one container shipment, so we're all on the same page.
That's awesome. So we can all, nice visual control. We can all see what needs to be done and how far along it is.
Exactly.
Cool. Good job. Favorite improvement, Matt?
My favorite improvement was done by Ashton. It's this kind of layout to tell you exactly what goes in a lot of our stuff. So I handle a lot of the O-ring kits from time to time. so it's nice to get a nice little visual of what goes into every single O-ring kit.
That's really awesome. I struggle with that too, so this is one of my favorites as well. I hear you've got a great improvement.
Well, Brian and Josh have
And a
been
great tank top.
Yes, thank you very much. We used to order our sheet metal from a company by the name of IMC. We've been doing business with them for a long time, but we would have to order in large quantities with lead times of between 6 to 10 weeks, which takes a long time to get if your customer is needing a ASAP order. So now we've made a deal with a company named D&B Sheet Metal, which we can order as many as we need, and they'll be produced and delivered to us within about 10 days. So one of the other reasons why we did that is because IMC would make a bunch of product with quality defects, like here and here. They would come with scratches all over them. They're different sizes. D&B Sheet Metal, every time we come, everything looks pristine. All the corners are finished, everything fits. And since we're ordering in such small quantities, we can make a design change like this larger ring for the pitchers to come in on the fly and not have a bunch of inventory like we have over here, which is thousands and thousands of dollars of stuff that we had to buy just to get IMCs to take our business.
So I think at last inventory count in sheet metal, we're at $35,000 just sitting there.
So now with D&B, we only ever buy the sheet metal when the customer has already paid for it. So none of our money is leaving the building.
Awesome, that's freaking fantastic. Hey George, what's your favorite improvement of this quarter?
My favorite improvement of the quarter is the new trailer hitch for the demo cart that we installed, because when we have a 6-barrel keg with a big bag of ice, having to literally hurl it into the back of the van is extremely heavy, and it hurts, actually hurts. So this is a huge improvement. It actually can be done with one person, and it makes doing demos, spending 4 hours on the road, a hell of a lot easier.
That's awesome. Cool.